Hey guys, welcome here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to send message on Twilio. So simply in order to do this, just visit twilio.com, and after that here you can see this is the main interface of Twilio. So first of all, on the left side you can see the tab is available. Simply just click on messaging. After that the new tab is open. So simply just in this menu, what you need to do, you have to go to the senders, and after that here you can see that the WhatsApp and other sender messages option. So simply just we want to send a simple text. So in order to do this, first of all you have to click on try it out, and after that here you can see send an SMS. Simply just click here, and after that what you need to do, you have to buy a premium package in order to send a message. So just simply open this. After that here you have to type the cell phone number, and here you have to type the SID. After that here you have to enter the body text. So simply just enter the body text here and just type the random SID here. After that just click on send test SMS.